Good morning. Welcome to Flatrock Family Dentistry. Today we're going to talk about toothbrushing, specifically with a power toothbrush. You know, when we talk about toothbrushing, we want to talk about time and technique. The nice thing about the power toothbrush is there's a sensor in it that will help prevent you from brushing too hard, from brushing away your teeth and gums. Who knew that you could brush too hard? So with the Oral-B Braun toothbrush, there is a built-in sensor, and if you try to brush too hard, this will light up red. I think that's one of the best features about this brush. The other feature that I really like is the fact that it has a built-in timer. So every 30 seconds, it's going to change tempo and let you know 30 seconds is up. This is important because as you're using the brush, the amount of time you spend brushing your teeth is valuable. If you're not staying in one spot long enough, you're not going to disrupt the bacterial colonies. So, time and technique. So how do you use this power toothbrush? Well, first of all, I want you to know that it doesn't just spin. It is different from a spin brush, but it oscillates, pulsates, and spins for 52,000 times in a minute for the most fantastic clean you could ever have at home. All right, so what I want you to do is you turn the toothbrush on. I happen to like the slowest speed. I know my model is kind of big and it may not be easy to tell what I'm doing, so I think what I'm going to do is just turn off the brush and show you as if it's running. So when you brush with the toothbrush, you want to start on the back teeth, you want to swing around the back of the last tooth, and then you're going to move forward. And I count to 5, kind of a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I don't brush with it, I just let the toothbrush spin, and I'll show you that in a minute. So I count to 5, I roll to the biting surface, and then I'm going to roll to the tongue side. And what this does is as you weave the toothbrush from cheek side to tongue side, the bristles filter in between the teeth and gums to help clean those surfaces as well. To look like this. So I'm going to roll to the tongue side, slide forward, and it just rolls and cleans. Now, depending on your dental needs, you should brush from 2 to 3 minutes. So if you have a lot of dentistry crowns, you're going to break your mouth up kind of into segments. So I go 30, 30, and 30, and then the same thing on the bottom, 30, 30, and 30. If you have any questions about the Oral-B Braun toothbrush, feel free to call me. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.